making Haunted Dragon Graveyard with Melissa's Freaky Fruits. So first we need a sheet pan covered with foil, then put some pinto beans on top for the graveyard dirt. So we're gonna make the dragon. So first we're gonna start with a Cherimoya. We're gonna cut a zigzag to be the teeth. Then we need another Cherimoya for the body and a cactus pear for more of the body. Now we're gonna make the dragon's tail with Melissa's finger lines. We're gonna make the tongue. So you're gonna need the skin of a dragon fruit. Now we're gonna make our eyes with a Melissa's Rambutan. So the outside of the Rambutan is the eyelash, and the pupil is a Cherimoya seed. This is a regular Rambutan, and this back is a Rambutan seed. So we have our eyes. Now we're gonna do our wings. So first we need 2 toothpicks in the body Cherimoya. Then we need the outside of our dragon fruit. So now we're gonna do our arms and legs. So we're gonna use some fingers of the Buddha's hand, Melissa's Buddha's hand. And then we're gonna put them right there. And these are our legs. We're gonna go like that. The dragon needs some drool, so we're gonna use the seeds of a Melissa's Kiwano melon. Now we're gonna make the dragon's nest. So first we need a Melissa's finger line. And we cut it in half and squeeze the top to get the eggs out. I got some on me. That means I eat them. Since this is a graveyard, we need some headstones. We're gonna use some Kiwano melon skin. We're gonna use some Buddha's hand fingers for like the ancestors coming back from the dead. So we're gonna make worms by just slicing up like little strips from a Pepino melon. So now we're gonna make some little spiders. They're like half Rambutan shells. So now we're gonna blend a few blood oranges to make this pulp blood. We're gonna drizzle it around the graveyard. This looks so cool. This is our dragon's graveyard. What can you do with Melissa's Freaky Fruits? I'm Chef Garrett, and see you next time.